Hey everybody, it's Erin from The Impatient Gardener. I am here with a Friday one-handed gardening tip for you. One-handed because the other hand should be holding a glass of wine, a cocktail, maybe an iced tea, whatever suits your fancy. But you know, sometimes you need to garden just with one hand. So I'm going to show you what that is. So you're probably familiar with sedum, stone crock. This one is I think this one is Autumn Joy, which is probably one of the most common ones. So if yours are like mine, they're pretty tall right now. I mean, maybe a foot or so tall. So, and later in the year, you might get them where the whole center opens up and they all flop. Here's how you prevent that. Pinch them back. And you can cut them, which isn't so pretty, but you can also pinch them, and it's pretty easy. Just go in there, go about halfway down, use your thumbnail, and just pinch off a chunk. Now, what you can do with this chunk is you can either throw that in the compost bin, or you can actually stick it in the ground. If you keep that watered, it'll root, and you will have new plants. And that is, okay, that wasn't such a good example. There. That is literally how easy it is to make new sedum plants, you guys. So just pluck them off, go through. It's going to look a little odd for about a week, and then you will never notice, and then your plant will bloom a touch later, but it'll bloom just as well, and it won't fall open later in the year. So that is your one-handed garden tip for the weekend. I would like to hear from all of you about what you're going to put in your other hand while you're doing this little one-handed garden tip. Have a great weekend. See you soon. Bye-bye.